If you have nothing to say, you know, I didn't understand when they say being Zulu is a flex. And vele being Zulu is a flex. Look at what KZN did. They showed us that they respect themselves. They love themselves. No, they proved us wrong in so many things that we were talking about them. They proved us wrong. Look at what KZN did. I take off the hat for you guys. No, you deserve a salute. I salute you, KZN. Zulu people, you will forever be respected for the decision that you took for yourselves. And you know, I don't know why people are only talking about the cutting edge province. We have Limpopo. No, just look at this. I'm talking about one of the poorest. We have Limpopo. Why are you talking about the cutting edge only? Don't give the cutting edge province shade only. We have Limpopo. And you know why I came here wearing this? Is because I was not part of that decision. And I will sleep better at night knowing that I was not part of that decision. When they undergo the suffering and everything, I'm not part of that decision. And I speak that with confidence. Fighters, wear your regalia. Don't be ashamed. You are not part of the decision that people took. And guys, please stop DMing me saying that the vote were rigged, No, I will not come to this platform and talk about that because I accept defeat. Let's accept defeat. I don't know about your province, but I know that my province, they don't care about anything. They don't care. We cannot be having Limpopo water in Toyando, and then we have Nandoni Dam just next to us, and they don't care. Everything is fine. That's just how they are. They don't care about it, and they don't want change. And you know, we must not take that right from them of governing. Power to the people, and the people shall govern. It's the decision that they took. We must not take that away from them. As painful as it is, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. As painful as it is, guys, let's accept defeat, Bakuni. But at the end of the day, I am ashamed to be a Limpopo. I'm not proud to call myself I'm from Limpopo province. I'm not proud of that.